Boys and girls, I'm going to read the questions for today's math test out loud for you. Please listen. You can always rewind the video to come back and listen again. If you need to hear some of the information again, you can always go back and try it again and then go forward. Here's question 1. Leon has 1 quart and 1 pint of juice. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 2 cups. And 1 quart equals 4 cups. Decide if each measurement is equivalent to Leon's amount of juice. Choose yes or no for each measurement. 3 pints, yes or no. 5 cups, yes or no. 1 1/2 quarts, yes or no. 16 fluid ounces, yes or no. 2 pints, yes or no. 48 fluid ounces, yes or no. Question 2. Mrs. Wendela has bars of soap in a box. The total mass of the bars of soap in the box is 2 kilograms. Mrs. Wendela takes out 1 bar of soap that has a mass of 250 grams. What is the mass in grams of the bars of soap left in the box? 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 248 grams, 750 grams, 1,750 grams, 2,250 grams. Ira has 4 yards of rope. He cuts it into pieces of different sizes. Part A. Ira makes a table of equivalent measurements to help him decide how to cut the rope. Complete his table to show equivalent measurements in yards, feet, and inches. 12 inches equals 1 foot. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Yards, feet, inches. Fill in the missing information. Part B. Ira needs 96 inches of rope to tie some boxes and 2 feet of rope for practicing his knots. Does Ira have enough rope? Use the drop-down menus to make true statements. Because 96 inches is equal to one of these numbers, choose one, feet, Ira needs a total of, again, click on it and choose one of these options, feet of rope. So he does or does not have enough rope. Next question. Charlotte is making punch using different liquids. She needs 1 1/4 liters of soda water, 1 1/2 liters of cranberry juice, and 1/2 liter of orange juice to make each pitcher of punch. Charlotte wants to make 3 pitchers of punch. How many milliliters of each liquid does she need in all? 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Drag a measurement into each box to show how many milliliters of each liquid Charlotte needs to make 3 pitchers of punch. Soda water, cranberry juice, orange juice. Jake has 1 bag of groceries that weighs 3 pounds. He has another bag of groceries that weighs 32 ounces. 16 ounces equal 1 pound. How many ounces do both grocery bags weigh altogether? Blank ounces. Allison has a rectangular garden with an area of 54 square feet. The length of the garden is 9 feet. What is the width of the garden? 36 feet, 18 feet, 9 feet, 6 feet. The length of a rectangular dog park is 50 feet. The width is half the length. Decide if each set of steps could be used to find the perimeter of the dog park. Choose yes or no for each set of steps. Find the width by dividing 50 by 2. Then add the length and width and multiply the sum by 2 to find the perimeter. Yes or no? Find the width by dividing 50 by 2. Then multiply the length by the width to find the perimeter. Yes or no? Find the width by multiplying 50 by 2. Then add the length and the width to find the perimeter. Yes or no? Find the width by dividing 50 by 2. Then double the length, double the width, and add the products to find the perimeter. Yes or no? Find the width by multiplying 50 by 2. Then add the sum of each length and the sum of each width to find the perimeter. Yes or no? Kevin's bathroom floor has an area of 24 square feet. The width of the floor is 4 feet. What is the perimeter of Kevin's bathroom floor? Blank feet. Madison draws this rectangle on grid paper. She says the area of the rectangle is 14 square units. Which of these explains Madison's error and correctly solves for the area? Madison multiplied the length by 2 instead of multiplying the length and width. She should have solved 6 times 8 equals 48 square units. Or, Madison added the length and width instead of multiplying the length and width. She should have solved 6 times 8 equals 48 square units. Or, Madison added the length and width but forgot to multiply the sum by 2. She should have solved 2 times 6 plus 8 equals 28 square units. Madison multiplied the width by 2 instead of adding the length and width and multiplying the sum by 2. She should have solved 2 times 6 plus 8 equals 28 square units. Brighton designs a scrapbook page. He draws this figure to show where he places photos. This figure is not drawn to scale. Friends, fun. Part A. Brighton wants to find the perimeter and area of the figure. Use the drop-down menus to complete the sentences. To find the perimeter of the figure, Brighton can use the expression, choose one of those options. To find the area of the figure, Brighton can use the expression, choose one of those options. Part B. What is the area of Brighton's figure? Enter your answer in the box. Enter your answer here, square inches. That is the end of this test. You can go back and listen to any of the questions be read aloud again that you need to, or if the questions were in a different order, don't worry about that. Just find the question you're on in the video so that you can listen to the question be read aloud.